All right, guys, here's how we do today's homework. Now, if we're going to be graphing really quick. So remember, y equals mx plus b. B tells us where to start. M tells us how to move. So first step I'm going to do on these ones is if it's not a fraction, well, actually what I'm going to do first step is say where am I supposed to start? I'm supposed to start at positive 3. So boom, positive 3. Where am I supposed to start on this one? Negative 5. So boom, negative 5. Where am I supposed to start on this one? Negative 2. So boom, negative 2. If you follow that pattern for all of them, you should be able to go through and at least put in your first dot. Your next one, now I'm going to look for my slope. And that tells me, the M tells me how to move. Anytime I don't see a fraction, I'm just going to make it a fraction. 6, I'm going to make it a fraction. And anytime I don't see a number, I can put a 1. But I still don't see a fraction, so I'm going to put a 1 on the bottom. This one tells me how to move, what the slope is. So I need to go down 4 over 1. Down 1, 2, 3, 4 over 1 is right there. Down 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 over 1 is right there. I connect them with the line, and I see that it went to TH. So I look at the bottom of the paper, and I find number 1, and I write in TH. Number 2, there's my dot down here, boom. I have to move up 6 because it's positive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 over 1, right to there. And if I did it again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it'd be way up, and over 1 would be way up here. Boom. And this one goes through YO. So number 2 would be YO. Number 3, I already got my dot in where to start at negative 2. Now I have to move down 1 over 1. Down 1 over 1. Down 1 over 1. Down 1 over 1. And I'm going to continue that pattern in both directions so that I can see that if I move backwards, it goes over this way to OU. So for number 3, I look for OU. Now, there are some problems that are going to be pretty hard. Nope, not those ones. So if you look for these ones are going to be pretty tough. They're not in the right order. They're not written in y equals mx plus b form. So in order to get to that form, I need to move this 2x to the other side. And when it moves to this side, it becomes negative 2x. So now I have the equation y equals negative 2x minus 2. And now it's in the right form, and you can graph number 5. So that's the real equation for number 5. Number 6, I need to do the same thing. I need to move this over to the other side. And I get 2y equals positive x plus 4. But I'm not allowed to have 2 y's. I need 1 y, so I'm supposed to divide everything by 2 and get y equals 1/2 x plus 2. So that's the real equation for number 6. For number 7, same thing. I need to move this negative 2x over here, and I get 3y equals positive 2x minus 6. But I'm not allowed to have 3 y's. I need 1 y, so I have to divide everything by 3. And we can see y equals 2/3 x minus 2. And finally, for the last one, number 8, I have to move this over.
Sorry for the interruption.
So we get 2y equals negative 3x plus 4. I have to divide by 2 to get y equals negative 3/2 x plus 2. So you should be able to graph those. Now, good luck on all of these. Just a bunch of graphing problems. Both the front and the back are due, and you should be able to do them. All right, good luck.